Hi everyone, my name's Rebecca and I'm with Direct Candle Supply, and today we'll be looking at how to select the appropriate wick for your candle. To select the appropriate wick, let's refer to our chart that shows the wick depending on the container and the wax. For today, I'll be using this container with a 3-inch diameter and our coconut soy blend. After looking at the chart, we will use a large 105 wick. This is a candle I made yesterday with the same information and has a clean burn. If you ever notice soot around your candle like this one, or burnt area on your container, it's usually because the wick is too big for the container, or because there's a fan nearby that causes the flame to flicker. I hope I've answered any questions you might have had about picking the right wick for your candle, and for more information, please go to directcandlesupply.com.